I have one of my favorite frosting recipes for you today. It's whipped cream frosting that's completely stable. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're talking about whipped cream frosting and it's completely stable, so it's great for piping. You're not gonna have to worry about it melting off of your cupcakes. This is my favorite go-to frosting whenever I want something that is like whipped cream. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Start with 8 ounces of cream cheese. Now make sure that it's softened. It needs to be nice and room temperature so that there are no lumps in your frosting. Beat that a little bit to just get it nice and smooth, and then add in a cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you're gonna mix that until it's all combined and smooth and thick. Just keep mixing until it comes together. You can use a hand or a stand mixer for this. Once it's nice and smooth and creamy, you're going to add in 2 cups of cold, heavy whipping cream. There's no substitute for that. It has to be heavy whipping cream for this to set up. And you're gonna slowly pour that in while you're mixing, while running your mixer. Continue slowly adding it until it's completely added, and then switch the mixer to high speed and keep mixing until stiff peaks form. So at this point, it's like you're making whipped cream. It's just gonna be a little bit thicker. So then just keep mixing and mixing and mixing on high speed until stiff peaks form. You'll wanna just make sure that you mix it enough that there's no like liquid around the edges. If you need to scrape the sides of the bowl, go ahead and do that. It'll resemble whipped cream, but it'll be nice and thick, as you can see. And once it is completely mixed, this is great. You can use it for any piping. You can use it for topping anything. This will store in the refrigerator for about 24 to 48 hours without getting weepy, which is great. I love using stable whipped cream frosting anywhere that you want to have a nice lighter frosting that's not as rich as a buttercream. Now, if you're paying attention, this whipped cream frosting is very similar to my foolproof no-bake cheesecake, which I will link. It is very similar, there's just more heavy whipping cream. So it's really, really fluffy and it's sweet, it's perfect. You can see, you can pipe it. It's great for cakes or cupcakes, for frosting, for cookies, for anything. Leave me a comment and let me know how you're gonna use it, and keep watching for even more desserts.